Tell her walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be talking about this hair, this unit. So I don't know, you've been seeing the you know, ready to wear wig, the pre-cut lace wig going around, and I got my hands on one and I am in love. So Nadula Hair kindly sent me this hair and I'm gonna be showing you what I think about it, how I saw it today. And Nadula Hair is having their 6th anniversary and they are having a massive sale right now. So if you see something you like in this video, please be sure to check it out. Please don't forget to check out their sale. And as I said, if you like this hair, please keep on watching. So this is the box. Ooh. So I've got some goodies in here. I've got the HD wig cap. Oh, I love these. I use them more for frontals though. I don't really use them for closure installs because, you know, if the wind blows, I like my edges to be under instead of like a bald cap method. I love these. Oh wow, the sun just changed the picture real quick. Oh, it's coming back. But yeah, I love these. This is an edge brush. I have more of these than I can count. Ooh, some more wig caps, another lace band, some lashes, and a makeup brush. Now let's get into the wig, what we're really here to see. So this is 24 inches. It looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. So this is what the inside looks like, and it has like a breathable cap. I love that. And it has like these silicone bits so that it doesn't move. Ooh, I love that. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. It looks so good. As you can see, the lace is already cut. I'm gonna try this on now and see how wearable it is just straight from the box. Okay, so straight out of the box, I'm seeing that I need to do a few things for it to, you know, suit me. So for me personally, because the knots aren't bleached, I'm gonna bleach the knots. You don't have to, it's optional. But for me, I like my knots bleached. I like it to look like scalp. And once I bleach my knots, I'm gonna style the wig. But so far, one thing I do like about it is that it does fit snug on the head. It feels secure. And you know, I don't have to do the whole, you know, I don't have to do the whole cutting the lace off thing. That's done for me. So once I bleach the knots and style it, we're gonna come back and see what it looks like. If you are a beginner and you just want a wig that you can just put on and go, you could put this one on and go, but you'd need to put a bit of your makeup on the lace and, you know, maybe style it so that it suits your head a bit more. But yeah, so I'm back. I've done my little customizations. I have bleached the knots. I plucked the, sorry, my cat is distracting me. I have bleached the knots. I plucked it, but I didn't pluck it too much. It was already pre-plucked, so you didn't really need to pluck it. But I like to always go in and just, I don't know, I feel like it's an addiction. I can't not pluck, so I plucked it a little bit, and I'll show you right now what that looks like. And I straightened it as well. So yeah, like, it's plucked, but it's not overly plucked. Or maybe that is overly plucked for some people, but it's plucked to my taste. I'm gonna use my foundation brush and just go down the part. So I don't know if you can tell, but I put a bit of foundation, just residue leftover foundation on there just to give it a bit more color. I'm pretty sure I'm still going to need to do a bit more to it for it to melt in, but that's just like the initial melting. So the wig is on and it's still a little bit ashy right here in the front. So to take care of that, I've got two things. I'm gonna go in first with a little bit of bronzer, cream bronzer. I don't like to go too dark with my cream bronzer, so that's why this will work. I want something that's like a little bit darker than me and my foundation shade. That is melting it. Wow. That is damn near melted. Sorry, my cat is in a funny mood. So because we're keeping it glueless, I'm gonna go in with mousse for phase 2. Usually I'd like to use a ebony spray or spritz, but today we're just gonna go in with mousse. So that should, I'm hoping, help it melt into my skin and form to like my head shape. I'm just gonna put the melting band on top to secure it, and hopefully it's done. So I'm just gonna cut off the ends. Not a lot. So I want long layers, I don't want too much off stuff. Yeah. Hopefully I didn't take too much off. Let's just have a look at what is going on under here. I don't know, to me that works. It still hasn't fully dried yet, but I'm just gonna let it dry. So I don't really want too much of a curl, more of a wave, but yeah, you'll see. I'm using this big 1.5 inch curler. Ah, yes, that came out perfect. That's exactly what I want. I definitely did this side better than I did this side, and I spent more time on this side as well. Oh well. So I'm back, the hair is styled, I love it. So I did have to go in and use a bit of spray because, I don't know, I feel like maybe because I tightened it, it's not sitting on my head properly. But once I loosen it back up, I think I would be able to wear it glueless. I think I'm also adjusting to the fact that this does not have adjustable straps. It does have a band, but it doesn't have like the traditional adjustable straps. So I'm still trying to figure it out. But all in all, the wig is gorgeous. The wig looks so good. Like, look at them layers. It looks stunning. And it's also like kind of really full, which is different. I love that. So, oh wow. But yeah, as I was saying, all in all, I really love this wig. I love how it looks. Like, Nadula hair is yet to disappoint me. So for that, this wig gets a thumbs up from me. And yeah, that is it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a comment. I love to respond to comments. And I would love to see you in the next one.